Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've already signed in and got your file ready. Now start in Google Drive. Locate the document, image, or folder you want to share and right-click it. Choose Share and don't hesitate. This step both creates and controls the link. Make sure the file name and location are final so you don't reissue links later. Once the Share dialog appears, move directly to link settings rather than copying a temporary permission. That sets who can access it and how they'll interact with your content. Now adjust access carefully. Under Get Link, pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor depending on intent. If it's internal, restrict to your organization or specific people. If public, switch to anyone with the link. Remember that Editor grants full change rights, use sparingly. After selecting the appropriate level, click Copy Link. If you need a cleaner URL for sharing, paste into a link shortener you trust. Make sure to note expiration or advanced settings if temporary access is required. Finish by pasting the link where recipients will see it and then verify it yourself. Open an incognito window or ask a colleague to test access so you experience exactly what they will. If someone can't open it, don't panic. Return to Share settings and either add their email explicitly or switch the link to anyone with the link for broad access. Make sure you check whether viewers can edit or only view. Changing that fixes most problems quickly and keeps control where you want it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.